Hello everyone, Lone Wolf Rick here, and it is a Wednesday afternoon here in Las Vegas, about 1 p.m. and I'm standing out here in front of the Sahara Hotel and Casino, and I'm just taking a few minutes to take a look at this traffic here, see how this road construction is going. We're 1 week away from Resorts World opening up, and we're still basically down to like 1 and 2 lanes of traffic here. Now I know it's like the city knows what they're doing, but boy, this is stretching this one pretty quick. Consider this road construction all the way down here to the Strat has been going on for a year now or more. So as you can see, it's all on one side and then filters back over here right at this spot. It's just kind of so it's just still kind of goofed up all the way upside up through there. So yeah, I like to be honest with you, I like to be able to walk it and show it to you. I'm just not in that still feeling strong enough yet to be able to walk this stretch of the strip here and show you what it really looks like here. Yeah, so basically Resorts World opens next Thursday. And right down here in this neck of the woods, this is kind of what it looks like. So it is still at one lane a lot of way down. Look all the way down here on this side of the road. It's still, this side of the road's still all closed off, so. Alright, so hopefully to get this all straightened out here, it's like in the next few days. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me today, okay? It's Lone Wolf Rick. I said near the corner of Sahara and Las Vegas Boulevard. And everybody take care of yourselves, okay? Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.